Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all to this video lecture. My name is Hina Shaukat and I am your grade 4 science teacher. And the concept that we are going to discuss today in this lecture is characteristics of living things. By the end of this lecture, you would be able to understand that living things, they grow, they take in nutrients, they reproduce, they do breathing, they can eliminate waste and they die. If you look at your surrounding, you can see different things and you can classify those things as living things and non-living things. For example, the people in your house or the pets in your house, or if you can see some birds flying in the sky or some plants in your garden or some plants outside of your house. All of these are living things and you can see some non-living things in your surrounding as well. For example, a table, a chair or a couch or a door or a window or a board. So all these things are non-living things. चलिए एक और एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करते हैं. Look at this picture. Can you identify some living things in this picture? I'm sure you can. You can identify a boy as a living thing, or a hen, or a cat, or the flying bird as a living thing. Have you wondered why living things are alive? What makes them alive? These are the characteristics. जी हाँ, living things, they have some unique characteristics which make them alive and which are different from non-living things. These characteristics are growth, taking in nutrients, reproduction, breathing, eliminating waste, and death. So these are some characteristics. Let's discuss these characteristics one by one. First of all, we will discuss growth. Now, what is growth? Growth means increase in size. If something is increasing in size, यानी कि उसका size बड़ा हो रहा है, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि उसकी growth हो रही है. That particular thing is growing. And all the living things, they grow. Now, if we talk about the animals or humans, so if you look at yourself, you were not of that size from the beginning. You were a baby once. And the humans, they grow from babies to adults. But if you look at the plants, they were not that tall from the beginning. वो भी कभी बहुत छोटे होंगे. जी हाँ, plants, they grow from small seeds and that small seed will turn into a big plant. So, इसी तरह सारी की सारी लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो करती हैं. अगर आपके पास कोई पेट है तो वो पहले बहुत छोटे से साइज का होगा और फिर इवेंचुअली विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम गुजरने के साथ साथ उसका साइज बड़ा हो जाएगा, यानी कि हम कहेंगे कि वो ग्रो कर गया है. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, दे कैन नॉट शो दिस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. वो ग्रो नहीं हो सकती. टेबल का जो साइज जब आप खरीद के लाएंगे जो था वो कुछ सालों बाद भी उतना ही रहेगा. इट मीन्स दैट इट इज नॉट शोइंग ग्रोथ. The plants, they can show growth in some directions as well. For example, sunflower, it can grow in the direction of sun. यानी कि जहां सूरज होगा, sunflowers उस तरफ turn कर जाएंगे. And the plants, they can show very small movement. Let's move to the next characteristic. And the next characteristic is taking in nutrients. Now, the question should come in your mind. What are nutrients? Nutrients are the chemicals which are important for the growth, which are required for the growth, जो कि growth के लिए necessary हैं, बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. अब taking in का मतलब हुआ कि हम body के अंदर कोई चीज़ कैसे लेके जा रहे हैं. So living things, they take in nutrients. अब अगर आप humans को देखेंगे, अपनी ही बात करेंगे, so we are taking in nutrients by eating food. हम खाना खाते हैं और उससे nutrients हमारी body के अंदर चले जाएंगे. But have you ever seen a plant eating food? Of course not, because plants, they take in nutrients, but they are not eating food. हमें plants को पानी देना पड़ता है. We need to water the plants. और plants को soil के अंदर रहना होता है. They need to be anchored in the soil, because plants, they can get their nutrients from the soil. उन्हें सॉइल से मिनरल और वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करना होता है एंड देन दे कैन मेक देयर ओन फूड. सो इन बोथ वेज, अगर आप खाना खा रहे हैं और प्लांट्स अपने न्यूट्रिएंट्स को सॉइल से ले रहे हैं, सो इन बोथ वेज द लिविंग थिंग्स दे आर टेकिंग इन द न्यूट्रिएंट्स व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर देयर ग्रोथ. यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करते हैं. देयर आर सम प्लांट्स विच कैन ईट इंसेक्ट्स एज वेल. जी हाँ, थोड़ी सी हैरत तो हुई होगी, लेकिन देयर आर प्लांट्स लाइक दिस. Venus flytrap, this is the example. It can eat insect literally. The insect, it can sit on this open space and then it will get closed. और वो insect उसके अंदर trap हो जाएगा. Once it is trapped, the plant is going to digest it. तो जो भी nutrients उस insect के अंदर होंगे, they will be taken in by the plants. लेकिन ऐसे plants की examples बहुत ही कम हैं. चलिए अब मूव करते हैं नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक की तरफ which can make living things alive, and that is reproduction. Now what does it mean? Reproduction means producing new organisms of the similar kinds. एक ही तरह के नए इंडिविजुअल्स को बनाना जिससे फैमिलीज ग्रो करती हैं, जिससे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ती है. सो दिस इज रिप्रोडक्शन. ओनली लिविंग थिंग्स कैन possess this property. If we talk about animals or humans, so they reproduce by having babies. और फिर वो babies adults में grow कर जाते हैं. But the plants are reproduced by forming seeds. Plants seeds यानी कि बीज बनाएंगे और उस बीज को दोबारा से जब हम soil में डालेंगे, so then it will germinate. और जब seed germinate करेगा, so again it will be turned into a new plant. So we will say that plants, they show reproduction, but they reproduce by producing seeds, and reproduction is also very important characteristic for the living organisms. Now the next important characteristic is breathing, यानी कि सांस लेने का अमल. All the living things, they breathe. If I'll ask you to do deep breathing like this, then you will inhale some air. So breathing is taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Now you will say that plants, they do not have nose, so how do they breathe? They can breathe as well, but since plants are different from the animals, so their breathing process would be different as well. Plants can do exchange of gases by their leaves. Their leaves have special structures like stomata. These are the small openings जिधर से गैस लीफ के अंदर भी आ सकती है और लीफ से बाहर भी जा सकती है. And the plants, they take in carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen gas in most of the cases. So all the living things, they are breathing. सब के सब सांस ले रहे हैं, लेकिन तरीका थोड़ा सा मुख्तलिफ है. So this is the characteristic which is making a living thing alive. The next characteristic is eliminating waste, यानी कि waste material को हमारी बॉडी से खारिज करना. Now what is waste material? Waste material is the byproduct of the reactions. हमारी बॉडी में बहुत सी काम की चीज़ें भी बन रही होती हैं, तो उसके साथ कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें भी हैं जो कि एक्स्ट्रा हैं और हमें उसे अपनी बॉडी से रिमूव करना होगा. Now why it is important to remove this? The waste material is harmful for our body. So if something is harmful for our body, then definitely we need to release it, we need to remove it, we need to get rid of it. So उसके लिए हमें उसे बॉडी से बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा. So all the animals and humans, they have different systems to remove that waste. Similarly, plants के अंदर भी कुछ waste materials बनते हैं and those waste materials must be excreted out of the body as well. So all the living things, they need to eliminate waste to stay healthy, and this is also the characteristic of living things only. Non-living things, they cannot produce any waste and they don't need to eliminate any waste. Now moving to the last characteristic, which is death. All living things eventually die. Dying is a natural process. Living things can die if they will stop growing, if they will stop taking in nutrients, like if you will stop eating definitely for so many days, then you can die as well. Similarly, if you will not water the plants or if you will not keep the plants into the soil for a long period of time, definitely they will not take in the nutrients and they will die. So animals and plants, they both can die eventually after the passage of time. Ab, keep all this information in your mind, take a pause and fill in this mind map with the characteristics of the living things. I'm sure that you did it well and you understood that the life process of the living things are growth, taking in nutrients, reproduction, breathing, eliminating waste and death. So हमने आज के इस लेक्चर में इन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को डिटेल में डिस्कस किया है. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको समझ आया होगा. See you all in next lecture. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.